Good morning!
Good morning, I'm so excited.
Can you guys hear it? Do you know where we are? We are at the domestic airport of Kathmandu, and what are we doing today?
Hella tour.
Where are we going though?
Mount Everest. To see Mount Everest.
Yeah, so today is going to be an exciting vlog because we are going to take a heli to the Mount Everest region, and there's going to be a few stopovers. So this is the entourage. Is it entourage? I don't know what's the term. Of helicopters.
Many helicopters.
Yeah, look at it. Hello! 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 Hola! Spanish friend! Hola! Mexico!
Hola, Mexico!
Hola! Mexico! Hola! Singapore! So we are now in an area where all the helicopters in the airport are parked, and right now I think the technicians and staff are refueling the helicopter, and this is the helicopter that we are going to be taking, and it's by Kailash Helicopter Services.
Ladies first.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning!
Yeah.
Hola, hola! Hola,
Hi. Hi.
Hola! So the helicopter pilot piloted the three of us up at a higher altitude just now, and then now he took another two, and now we are here in this beautiful like snowy place with nothing but serene peace and tranquility. How do you feel?
So pretty. But I think I wore the wrong shoes.
Oh, so pretty?
Yeah.
Which part?
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah.
Do you manage to take photo of Mount Everest just now when he piloted us higher?
I did try because from the
Okay.
other side.
Oh,
So
later
it
send
was,
me.
It was at the other side. It's the side, so it's difficult to take. So I also don't want to like. Yeah.
Okay,
So
cool.
I don't know whether I took it lah, but it's at his side. So I.
At
I
whose
was
side?
on-
Oh, pilot
the
side.
pilot side,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Yeah, I'm at the passenger seat, so it's difficult for me to like. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Maybe he took. Okay, ask him.
okay, maybe I'll ask him later. So we are waiting now for the angry pilot to come back. But anyway, It's
No,
like
he was
there's
angry
only
because just now the guy was like inside there for so long.
okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are like there's 2 people over there, and then there's 3 of us. So it's like 5 of us in this crazy place. Oh my god, it's so cool! So yeah, so we are waiting for the other 2 to go around at higher altitude, and then I think after this we will go to have breakfast at Everest View Hotel, where supposedly you'll be able to see amazing views of
You will see Everest
Everest.
from there, I think also.
Yes, it's called Everest View. I mean, yeah, and then after that I think
there's a helicopter there.
after that I think that our final stop is gonna be at one of the iconic places where most trekkers, when they go to Everest Base Camp, will pass by, which is Namche Bazaar, which we also saw just now. But in any case, look at this beautiful snowy terrain with like not many what's that called?
People.
Not many terrestrial citizens and creatures. I don't know. Yeah, it sounds right. Oh my god, like oh wah! Okay, I'm fine guys, don't worry about me, but okay. Is this your best experience of your life?
Yeah, so pretty. The money is well spent.
Well spent, yeah, it was quite expensive. Do you remember how much we got this?
It's like 2,600 US.
Huh?
1.3.
She's nuts.
I
It's
know.
not 2,000 plus.
But it was-
2,000 plus is for 2 people. It's like maybe 1,002
Oh,
to
yes,
1,003 USD per pax. It's pricey, but I mean, it's really priceless views all around without the hiking, hiking rigor. And oh my god, I got to see the most dangerous airport in the world. I feel so honored. I want to kiss the snow. Should I kiss the snow, Cassandra? Can you film me kissing the snow? Because I'm so happy right now. I want to kiss the snow. I'm gonna kiss the snow, guys, because I'm so happy. Woo!
How does it taste like? It's not
Not so good.
Helicopter over there.
Oh my god!
Yellow helicopter.
Oh my god! I think this vlog is gonna be like what, 20 minutes long or something. So we have stopped here for 1 hour. I think this is the place where we can get our food and breakfast, I guess. And oh my god, I seriously am like speechless. The beauty of the Himalayas up close is insane, and I just think that you need to be here yourself to witness this beauty. I just, oh my god, this is like the best experience I've ever been in my life. Like nothing beats this. This is crazy. Like look at this. And the fact that you're one of the few people here is just totally, it just blows my mind, you know. Look at the snow-capped mountains, and it's especially pretty because right now it's winter, so it's all snow-capped. So in the other seasons it may not be this beautiful with the snow, but alright. I'm so happy and blessed, you know. Let's go get breakfast. This is just so crazy. So this is at Hotel Everest View, and let's go in. This is just gorgeous. Let's Cassandra, let's find her.
I don't know. That was the only
Holy shit, what is this place?
Thank you, Captain.
So we are balling right now with helicopter breakfast set.
$31 USD. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, but I mean, it's cause of this view.
Yeah,
Can you help me to hold this? Look at that view.
This is it.
So, there's Everest, Lhotse, and the other mountains. So pretty.
You're gonna take the bench up.
Hi everybody. Are you happy?
Yeah, very much.
Let's go.
Hi.
You're a stranger you're friends with. Bang. You're here.
Probably the most expensive breakfast we'll ever have. 31 USD.
Yeah.
Toast. Oh, the shadow is like omelette, sausage, and butter. Nice. We are now back at the domestic airport, and how was the flight?
Wow, it was incredible.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
The one where we go to the Everest View Hotel.
Yeah, I think that's quite cool.
That's
So
the best. The views by the other pilot. Oh, when he was
when he was what?
when he was maneuvering the helicopter into the mountains, you could see all the different mountains.
Yeah.
But I don't know what are the names of the mountains. He tried to explain to us. Yeah, but
Yeah.
I think Everest is nearer to the pilot.
That was pretty cool. Yeah, but anyway, I thought we were gonna go to Namche Bazaar, but we didn't. But in any case, it was quite interesting one. Would you recommend people to come on a tour?
I mean, yes, if you have the means to, definitely.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So when you're already seen, right, do you still want to go Everest Base Camp?
I don't need really. I don't want to climb so high. The trekking, oh my god.
Yeah, that's interesting. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and if you have the extra cash, go and do the heli tour around Everest to see the mountainous region. Super pretty, and hope you enjoy. Bye.
Adios.